Welcome to Marina Bay Sands, one of the most iconic and luxurious hotels not just in Singapore, but in the entire world. This isn't just a place to stay, it's a global landmark. From its futuristic design to its sky-high infinity pool, Marina Bay Sands represents luxury, innovation, and modern Singapore. Today, we're taking you inside for a complete room tour experience to see what makes this hotel worth the hype. First impressions, entering the room. As soon as you enter the room, the first thing you notice is space, elegance, and calm. The design is modern yet warm, with soft lighting, neutral colors, and premium materials everywhere you look. The room feels carefully designed to give guests both comfort and a sense of exclusivity. Large floor-to-ceiling windows instantly grab your attention, filling the room with natural light. The view, Singapore at your feet. Let's talk about the view, because this is where Marina Bay Sands truly shines. Depending on your room, you'll either overlook the stunning Marina Bay skyline or the vast Singapore Strait. At night, the city lights reflect off the water, creating a breathtaking scene that feels almost unreal. This view alone makes the stay unforgettable and is one of the biggest reasons people choose this hotel. The bed and living space, pure comfort. The king-size bed is massive and incredibly comfortable, designed for deep, restful sleep after a long day exploring the city. The bedding feels premium, and the pillows are perfectly balanced. There's also a stylish seating area where you can relax, work, or simply enjoy the view with a cup of coffee. Everything in the room is thoughtfully placed to maximize comfort. Bathroom, a luxury spa experience. The bathroom feels more like a private spa. You'll find a deep soaking bathtub, a glass-enclosed rain shower, and high-end toiletries. The mirrors are large and well-lit, and the marble finishes add a touch of elegance. It's the kind of bathroom that makes you slow down and enjoy the moment. Technology and amenities. Marina Bay Sands rooms are equipped with smart controls for lighting, curtains, and temperature. There's a large flat-screen TV, high-speed Wi-Fi, a minibar, and a coffee machine, all included for a seamless luxury experience. Everything works smoothly, making the stay feel effortless. The iconic infinity pool access. Of course, staying here also gives you access to the world-famous rooftop infinity pool on the 57th floor. Swimming with Singapore's skyline in front of you is a once-in-a-lifetime experience and something you simply can't get anywhere else. Marina Bay Sands is more than just a hotel, it's an experience. From the stunning rooms to the unbeatable views and world-class amenities, it truly lives up to its reputation. If you're visiting Singapore and want to experience luxury at its finest, this hotel is absolutely worth it.